Customs. Do you own a TJ, and has your TJ the hood prop retention, the little plastic piece that's up here on the hood that holds the prop whenever you're going to go shut the hood? Has it broken or is it missing? If it is, this video is for you. In it, we will be installing the new Taboo Customs replacement for that hood prop retention piece up there. So let's take a look. In the case of this TJ here, the little piece is still up here, but what's happened is one side's completely broken off of it, so it doesn't retain the hood prop anymore. So what we've got here is a replacement piece that will screw over where this was and can now hold that hood prop. It will also come with 4 self-drilling screws for installation, and we do also have a hole in the middle of this piece to help you align it with this existing where this existing hood prop retention piece was. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we need to do obviously is get this piece out of here, and what we've got is just a little metal trim pry tool. So we'll try to get behind it and pop it out and see if we can get it out easily. All right, now with it out, you're going to have one or two things up here in the hood. You either may have this square or rectangular hole as we have here, or you may just have a small hole that's just under 1/4 inch in size. Essentially, what we'll do is we'll use a screw. We're going to line ourselves up with this slot here, and you have quite a bit of play to install this, and you can pretty much install it anywhere within that. What we're going to do is try to make sure it's all on flat surface here as we work on getting those screws in. But to do that, I'm also going to need to reposition the camera. All right, so you'll need an impact of some sort with a 1/4 inch drive. 1/4 inch driver on it. Like I said, we will need something. A screw will work fine. We're just using a 1-inch sheet metal screw, using it to make sure that the center of this piece is roughly lined up with what we've got here is that rectangular hole. Getting it close, we're going to hold it up in there. Now, of course, one big thing is make sure you don't install it like this. You're going to have a hard time putting the hood prop in there. Make sure it's running across the Jeep, or else you could, I mean, if you install it, you could unscrew it and just screw it right back in. Basically going to hold it up there with our thumb. Make sure it's lined up. We'll go ahead and pull that screw out of there, which come out. Put one in. Put one diagonal to it. And you have to be a little careful, especially if you don't get quite aligned. All right, so now with that in place, we've replaced the hood prop holder. I guess this is actually the hood prop. This is retention. So like that, now it should stay in place, and we're pretty much done. So that will do it. All right, so it doesn't get much easier than that as far as things you can install on your Jeep. Hopefully this helped you. If you are interested in one of these pieces here, we will put a link in the description of this video. You can find them on our website, taboocustoms.com, as well as other items, rust repair kits, armor, and different things there as well. So thanks for watching. As always, a like or subscribe is greatly appreciated.